Festival drop-offs this morning for Chef Reese. It's a brand new day and we're still on the same vlog, guys. But anyways, it's raining. I'm taking Bryce to school. I'm taking him to school and I'm doing a quick festival drop-off for Chef Reese because I was supposed to drop it off yesterday and I did the small packs but not the 5 pound that they need for the restaurant. So I'm going to drop Bryce. I have a very busy day. I'm actually doing that and then I'm going to go home to start packing up the containers that I have. Yeah, I'm feeling very overwhelmed. Very overwhelmed. That's how I'm feeling right now, but I know that I'm gonna get through, right? Bryce wants Chick-fil-A. Your girl put yours, I'm a G. I also put this part that you put in the middle. Anyway, he wants some Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna get him some. My uncle is here. My uncle stayed over last night to just see the project through and to assist me. The faucets and the vanities went in yesterday. Well, in all the other rooms except mine. My bathroom is not going to be ready by the time we're supposed to move in. It's fine. I'll just have to use the kids' bathroom for now. And then just 1 and 2 little things that need to be done. We cleaned up last night with dust down and took a good couple hours. Big up to Spot Shine Cleaning, which is my friend Rochelle that you guys see working with me. She has an entire different business, which is a cleaning company, guys. So if you're ever in need of cleaning services, she can be your go-to. Extremely professional and she's very detailed. Like when I clean the windows, she came to me and she said, T, you did these? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, okay. So I said, well, when I do a good job? She said, no. I'm losing a little work yesterday. So big up to Spot Shine Cleaning. I'm going to leave her number in my description box. And I know oftentimes when I edit and I post the videos, I forget. But I'm going to remember. And if I don't, you can nudge me. When you nudge me, I always put it. But I'm going to put her information, her phone number, that you guys can reach out to her. She does commercial and residential cleaning, and sometimes that's needed. Like even for a busy person, you just want somebody. It's not, I know traditional people might say, oh, you could clean your own house, but the times have changed, guys. It's different times. We're busy as moms. We're super busy and we just don't have the time. So it's not that you're nasty why you have to have a cleaning person come into your home, but it's just a convenience, and I'll pay for convenience. And they can come and they can do a deep cleaning. If it's even once a month, you have that one person that enters your home and does a deep cleaning, someone trustworthy. So I highly recommend it. She has her clients on rotation, which is good. Because that is a service that is absolutely needed, especially for me, a person who I'm super busy. So I tried to, sometimes things get out of hand, you don't clean as often as you want to, and having someone that can do that for you, it's a blessing. So she came in after work yesterday and she dedicated her time to help me to get the place together. Thank you so much, Rochelle. I know I look tired and worn, and that's because I am. Because I have too much going on mentally as well. There's just so much happening right now. So much happening with the move and just me understanding and learning about people. The more and more I think progress in life. I've always been a giver. I've always been that person to always want to lend a helping hand. I've always been that way, genuinely, with nothing in return. that I'm looking for from the person, right? And I just always feel like I always end up getting the bad end of the stick. And I really don't want to change. I really don't want to change my persona and who I am because of a few bad people who have welcomed into my life. And I just need some advice from you guys. I always give an advice. How do you like not stop being kind? How do I not stop doing that, but then stop allowing people to play with me? Like, I just don't get it. And I'm gonna get into this in another video because I want you guys to understand that is not every person that you see want help. You need to help them. Let me say this again. Not everybody that take up them phone and call you and say, hey, I'm struggling, things tough, and say you need help, and say you have this or go on. You have no work for me, you can this for me, you can that for me. Sometimes do your screening on these people before you welcome them into your life. Here, because when you welcome them into your life and they come around, their intentions is not good at all. And it's very disturbing, you know, when you pour out and give to somebody genuinely, just for them to turn around and bite you in your ass and stab you in your back and just never mean well for you from the beginning. And I'm going to talk about it. I'm not going to be quiet about it. Let me order this food real quick. Hold on. Come to you. What do you want, babe? The nugget? The minis?
Minis.
Hi, morning. May I have the chicken mini count? Rice? Let's do the chicken mini breakfast, the meal. What do you want to drink? Lemonade?
Yeah.
Lemonade? And then I'll do the egg bowl.
The only egg? Or you want
The bowl, the meal.
the chicken?
With the chicken. Is there any way for them not to put the hash brown in the bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it always gets so soft.
I got you.
Yeah.
And then for the pork roll, sorry, you said meal or by itself?
No, the meal.
Did you want to?
Same.
What was the drink?
Lemonade.
Okay. And then the chicken bowl, also the lemonade? Any sauce and strawberry give jelly?
Honey and jelly, probably. Put this over the surprise.
And then you said chicken bowl with more sauce and rice and lemonade. It's gonna be 18 $18. Do you have what you do?
You too, darling. Thank you. Oh. Alright, guys. So, sorry about that. I was placing an order at Chick-fil-A. So, all I'm saying is I won't be quiet about this one. I've had it done to me all my life. Like, just people in general that you offer genuine kindness to, that they take such huge advantage of you, and it's very sad. It's very sad. And then you have to think back, like, okay, this is how you were raised, this is your upbringing. What was this person's upbringing? You know, because you have some people who are just natural vultures and they come into your life just to take, and then when them attack, them they have no mercy, because they have the saddest stories and make you feel sorry for them. And then at the same time, you know, as a person like myself, I remember years ago this man came to me when I was coming from school. One evening, my father did just give me some money, and he was crying help. It was outside of a grocery store, and he was saying, hey, I'm buying diapers for my kid, I'm gonna run out of money. I was maybe 14, and I thought to myself, so many men out here now not taking care of their kids. Here's this man taking care of his child and run out of money buying diapers. And I remember my dad gave me, I want to say I had $500, maybe $600. But then that's a lot of money in Jamaica. And I gave the man $200 out of it, because like he would have same shot $70 for the diaper them. And then at the same time, I'm like, if he short this amount, in same live at St. Mary, he's gonna need a taxi fare home. That's not my responsibility, you know. But just the person where I am from a little girl, you know, so I give the man my money. I gave him $200 out of my $500 to have for the month. Did you know that the following week, I saw the same man with the same story, just wear one different shirt? And he didn't realize it was me because that day I was in uniform. The next day I was dressed in plain clothes. The man with the same story. I felt so hurt and so discouraged from helping people, and I didn't. I did not. So I say all of this to say, like, it's been happening all my life where I feel like I've given more than I receive. And maybe that's how I get my blessing, but it's also, I'm human, blood runs through my vein like everybody else. And I want to put a stop to it, but I don't want to start being mean. Start being mean. I don't want to just not help people. I just don't know how to approach this. So this is something that's bothering me, and I need to talk about it. And I'm gonna talk about the people that hurt me, and I'm gonna talk about the people that take from me, and who just, I feel like, come around and they're just vultures, and they deserve to be put on blast because it's not fair. It is not fair. It's not fair. And like I said, I'm gonna go into more detail, but it was heavy on my heart just to say this. And this happens also in relationships too, guys. It's not just business relationships or friendship. It's happening in romantic relationships. Get to know the person you're getting in bed with. Get to know the person that you're getting super close with. Get to know their background. Get to know their history. Right? Thank you. Thank you. Here, Brett. Thank you. Get to know their family history. Get to know their upbringing. See if this is something that you want to be a part of. See if this is a family that you even want to be a part of. You understand? Because it's not okay. It's not okay just to walk around and use people. It's not okay just to walk around and take from people. Thank you, David.
Oh, wait.
It's not okay. It's not okay. Y'all need to stop it. We'll have a couple more months leaving the year. Try to do the right thing. Stop pretending. Stop pretending and stop taking people for a joyride, because eventually you're probably going to do it to the wrong person, and the outcome is not going to be ignored. The person is not going to ignore how that made them feel. So you guys need to think about that before you. So if you're watching this and you're one of those persons that you're just always doing this and taking, and then when it felt like you've gotten enough, you start to depict everything about that person's personality, things that never bothered you before when you were getting money, and all these things. You need to stop. Honestly, it's not good. It's not good. I've always heard, never ever ever bite the hand that feed you. Never bite the hand that feed you. That's a practice of mine. If I have a problem with someone, or I notice an energy shift, which I've seen before, I've had, or I've felt, you know, working with certain people, and I felt like a huge energy shift, you can tell. Because you can tell if you come around me and my energy is off when it's not usually off, and it's now consistent that, okay, this person used to do this, this person used to invite me here, this person used to do this, and then they stop, and then you're gonna notice that energy shift. The onus is on you to decide, okay, do I want to address it or I want to move on? And I've had it before done to me with persons that I was working with, that I felt a huge energy shift, and I just took away myself. I removed myself from the equation because I didn't feel like having a confrontation. I did not feel like addressing it. I just took away myself and I removed myself, right? It's different from when you pour into someone and they feel however they feel, and then them just start talk bad about you and just try to defame your character. It's very different, and y'all need to stop it, like, seriously. Anyways, I am entering the school zone. Guys is having his breakfast really quick. I'm gonna drop off these festivals at Chef Reese, and we're gonna pick up this conversation because I really want to be focused when I'm talking about it. I really want to be focused, because it stops here where people are gonna stop playing games with me, right? It stops here. I'm human just like everybody else. So with that being said, I'm gonna close this video out. I know I was just rambling, but sometimes you just have to get things off of your chest. That's just how it goes. And I thank you guys for listening. I thank you guys for your encouragement. I have to move, guys, and I need to go and get my life together. I have events coming up that I need to focus on, and it's just, yeah, it's a lot. So let me get back in work mode, in grind mode, in tea cooks with FLAVE beast mode, and make these happen. I got bills to pay. Let's get me email this morning and say your mortgage is due. I'm like, oh, still haven't moved in, but okay. So yeah, your girl need booking. So book me if you're having an event. Call me, send me a DM, no DM, send me an email, text me. All my information is on my IG. I do look forward to servicing you. If you have an event coming up, I do look forward to servicing you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being a part of my world. And thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that this is where it's at. All right, we're growing, our community is growing, and I'm very happy about that. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.